Magandang araw. So, welcome to our Engineering Economics video lecture. So, let us start with the discussion about the amortization. So, amortization is any method of repaying the debt, the principal and the interest included, usually by a series of equal payments at the equal interval of time. So, ibig sabihin lang ng amortization natin is ganun pa rin naman siya, annuity. Ibig sabihin, pare-pareho yung binabayad natin, equal payment siya. Okay, so equal payment siya in the equal interval of time. So, ibig sabihin, kung halimbawang monthly magbabayad ka, pare-pareho yung binabayaran mo on those period. And take note that in amortization, principal and interest are already included. Okay? So, ang formula pa rin natin dito is this one. A is equal to P or the principal value multiplied by the interest multiplied by the quantity of 1 plus interest raised to n. Alright? And all over 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. So, kung mapapansin natin, this is a formula of the ordinary annuity. Okay? So, take note of this. Alright? Kasi yan din yung mga gagamitin natin. Alright? So, now let us move to another topic, which is what we call the capitalized cost. Alright? So, capitalized cost, or K, yan ang symbol natin dito, is an application of perpetuity. Okay, so application daw siya ng perpetuity natin, wherein, di ba sabi natin, perpetuity is forever. So, infinite yung period natin dito. The capitalized cost of a project or structure is the sum of the first cost, and the present worth of all future payment. So, ibig sabihin, kasama yung ating parang first cost or the down payment, ano yung pinakauna mong mga babayaran, and then the present worth of all the future payment. So, di ba, meron tayong kino-compute na kung saan ay lahat ng mga gagastusin on the future ay kino-compute na natin siya as its present worth. And there is a replacement which is assumed to continue forever. Okay? Kaya siya tinawag natin application of perpetuity. So, in capitalized cost, if a project requires a first cost, annual operation and maintenance, or OM. Okay, so kapag sinabi naman nating annual operation and maintenance, ang gamit natin dito ay OM. For N years, so yung N ulit natin dito is yung ating period. A salvage value, or when we say salvage value, ito yung magkano ba yung pagbebentahan natin after N years, after a period of years. Then, a replacement cost. Okay, so from the word itself, replacement, yung pagre-replace. So, this is denoted by RC. After every end of N years. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung every end naman natin sa laging katapusan ng N years. Then, the capitalized cost is ganito yung magiging itsura ng ating cash flow. So, mapapansin natin, on the starting year, we have our FC, and then on the preceding years, ito yung ating operational and maintenance cost. Then, of course, sa nth year natin, may operational cost pa din dyan. At makikita natin, we have the replacement cost na pababa kasi gastos pa din siya, diba? And then, kaya pataas si salvage value kasi siya ay papasok naman yung pera. Okay? Kasi maibebenta mo na yung equipment. So, with that, ito yung magiging formula natin. K for capitalized cost is equal to the first cost. Okay? So, isa lang siya. And then, we have to add the operational and maintenance cost all over its interest. Of course, hindi naman pare-pareho ang bayad natin, diba? Ang pera natin ay nagkakaroon pa rin yan ng interest. Then, plus RC or the replacement cost minus the salvage value all over 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Okay? And then, si RC or si replacement cost, if ever na hindi given si replacement cost is sometimes equal lang din siya kay FC or kay first cost. Okay? And then, dito naman, kay OM over I, okay, yaan ay ginagamit natin if and only if the, the operation and maintenance cost is annual. Ibig sabihin, yearly. But, paano po ma'am kapag halimbawang nakalagay na hindi naman siya yearly? Like for example, yung N natin is greater than 1. Like for example, yung maintenance daw po niya is every 2 years or every 3 years, 4 years, and so on. Yung OM natin, OM over I natin, will be equal to OM over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Okay, so ito ay para kung sakaling yung N natin or the period, yung maintenance period natin is greater than 1. Okay? So now let us move to our examples para mas maintindihan natin siya on how to use this. So first, we have to determine the capitalized cost of an equipment costing 2 million pesos with an annual maintenance of 200,000 pesos if money is worth 20,000 annually. Okay? So, ito, we can now identify the given. Una, pinapahanap sa atin si capitalized cost. So, we are looking for capitalized cost. Then, sabi niya, an equipment costing 2 million. So, costing 2 million, ibig sabihin, that is your first cost. Kasi, syempre, di ba, yan yung binayaran mo nung bumili ka. With an annual, okay? So, when we say annual, yearly. An annual maintenance of 200,000 pesos. So, this is our OM. We have 200,000. Then, if money is worth 20% annually, and that 20% annually is our rate or the interest rate. Okay? So now, again, our formula is K is equal to FC plus OM over I plus RC minus SB all over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, there is no given na RC or the replacement cost. Sabi natin kanina, if not given, it is equivalent to FC. But we also don't know the salvage value kasi hindi naman din binigay sa atin yung salvage value niya. Okay? So, next naman natin is we also don't have our N years. Hindi naman binanggit sa problem kung gaano katagal maglalast yung ating equipment. So therefore, if this is the salvage value is 0, and then magsi-0 lang din naman itong ating N, therefore wala tayong third term. Okay? We can consider this as already 0. Ang matitira na lang sa atin is K is equal to FC plus OM over I. So, we already have this value. So, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute. So, our FC is 2 million pesos. Then, plus yung OM natin na 200,000 pesos. All over yung ating I, which is 20% or 0.20. So, by computing this, okay, so meron tayo 2 million plus 200,000 over 0.20. And this will be equal to 3 million pesos. Okay, and that will be our final answer. Okay, next naman natin. Let us have our example number 2. So, a financial analysis of 2 bridges based on capitalized cost on the following data. if the rate of interest is 18% compounded annually. Determine the capitalized cost for each bridge. Okay. So, we have bridge A and B. Ito siya. And then, ang meron tayo ay initial cost. And when we say initial cost, this is already our FC. Cost of renewal. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, that is our RC. Salvage value, ito yung magiging presyo kung magkano mo siyang mabebenta. So, salvage value is, ayan, meron tayong A and B. Then, annual maintenance, we have our annual maintenance or the OM ng yearly. Okay. And then, we also have this repair every 5 years. So, therefore, repair every 5 years, this is already operational and maintenance also. So, meron tayong pangalawang OM. Okay? But, this time, this is every 5 years. Then, the lifespan is 30 years and 40 years. So, this one is our M. Okay? So, now, let us try to solve these problems. So, let ko lang ulit. We have this FC, RC, salvage value, OM1. Then, we have OM2. Then, this is our M. Okay? So, first, let us solve for bridge A. Okay. So, for bridge A natin, we have this formula. K is equal to FC plus. Okay. Take note, we have two operational and maintenance costs. So, dun muna tayo sa OM1. And since yung OM1 natin is annual, so this is just over I. Plus, dun naman tayo sa pangalawang OM natin, we have OM2 over. So, since this is every 5 years, ang gagamitin natin yung formula should be 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Okay? Then, next natin, after nyan, we have our RC minus SV all over 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Okay? So, take note na yung n natin dito sa ating operational and maintenance cost is kung kailan or every ilang years. Okay? Which is 5 years. And then, dito naman sa natin, sa RC minus SV natin, yung n na gagamitin natin dyan should be the lifespan. Okay? So, now, we already have those values. Pwede na tayong mag-substitute. FC natin for bridge A is 2 million. Okay, so 2M plus, sinortcut ko na ha. OM natin, OM1 natin is 100,000. So, we have 100,000 all over, I natin. Okay, take note that the interest is 18% compounded annually. So, we have 0.18. Plus, OM2 naman natin is 500,000 daw. So, we have 500,000 all over 1 plus 0.18 raised to, sabi natin, this is every 5 years, so raised to 5 minus 1. Plus, ano yung RC natin? RC is cost of renewal. We have 2 million. 2M minus, magkano yung salvage value natin? It is 0. All over 1 plus 0.18 raised to, ilang years siya? It is 30. Then, minus 1. So, for our K, bridge A, or the capitalized cost for bridge A natin, solve lang natin siya. We have 2 million plus 100,000 over 0.18. Then, we have plus 500,000 over 1 plus 0.18 raised to 5, then minus 1. Then, next pa natin, plus, we have 2 million minus 0 over 1 plus 0.18 raised to 30, tama? Minus 1. So, if we equal this, ang makukuha natin ay how much? We have 2,957,875.18. Okay? And that will be your final answer for Bridge A. But take note, we are not yet done since we still have to get for the Bridge B. Okay, kasi ang tanong sa atin dito, capitalized cost for each bridge. Okay, now let us solve for KB. Okay, again, we have the formula FC plus, okay, how many OM do we have? We have 2. Okay, we have OM1 over I plus OM2. Ang OM2 natin is every 5 years, so we have 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Plus our RC minus SB all over 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Okay, now, let us just substitute the given. Ano yung magkano FC natin? For Bridge B, we have 2.5 M. We have 2.5 M plus, okay, do we have annual maintenance? Oh, it's 0. So, ibig sabihin, kung 0 yan, cancel out na natin to kasi magzi-0 lang din naman siya. Okay? Then plus, dun tayo, move tayo kay OM2. We have repair every 5 years, which is 600,000. Over 1 plus 0.18 raised to, again, it is repair for every 5 years, then minus 1. Plus, magkano yung RC natin? Same with the FC, 2.5 M din. Minus, but now, for Bridge B, we have salvage value of 200,000. All over 1 plus 0.18 raised to, okay, for now, ang lifespan natin is 40 years. Then minus 1. Okay? Then let's compute kung ano yung makukuha natin. We have 2.5 M plus 600,000 over 1 plus 0.18 raised to 5 minus 1. And then we add up, okay, 2,500,000, okay, minus the salvage value of 200,000 over 1 plus 0.18 raised to 40, and then we have minus 1. Okay? Then, we equal it. Ang makukuha natin ay 2,968,995.35. And that will be our final answer. Okay, to sum up our example number 2, we have for KA, or for the capitalized cost of Bridge A, we have 2,957,875.18. And for the capitalized cost of Bridge B, we have 2,968,995.35. Okay. So if you have questions, pwede nyo naman akong i-message. Now, let's move to another topic, which is the annual cost. Okay, so for the annual cost, from the word itself, annual, magkano ngayon yung mga gastos mo annually? Okay, so annual cost of project is the annual interest investment plus the annual operation and maintenance plus the annual depreciation cost. So kung kanina we get the capitalized cost or the sum of all your expenses. Okay? Yung kapital na gagamitin mo. Ngayon, paano naman yung annual mo? Okay? Paano kasi kung wala ka namang panggastos agad today? So, of course, meron dyan na magiging parang annuity natin na every year meron kang ginagastos. Okay? So, in relation to capitalized cost, where annual cost is the total annually cost of the project while the capitalized is the total present cost of the project. So, yun yung sinasabi ko. So, we have this relationship. Our capitalized cost is equal to the annual cost over its interest. Okay? So, syempre, di ba, every year naman may interest tayo. So, kapag inayos natin yan, we move this I to the left side, magkakaroon tayo ngayon that AC is equal to capitalized cost times the interest. Okay? So, yan lang din yung gagamitin natin na formula. So, parang ang nangyari lang sa atin, nadagdagan lang tayo or we multiply to the interest rate yung ating capitalized cost. Then, makukuha na natin ngayon yung annual cost natin. Okay? So, now, let us proceed to our examples para mas maintindihan natin siya. Example number 1, a machine has an initial cost of 80,000 pesos with a useful life of 20 years with a salvage value of 20% of the initial cost of the machine. What is the annual cost of the machine if it has an annually maintenance cost of 6,000 and an interest rate of 10%? Okay. So now let us identify the given. Sabi sa atin, an initial cost of 80,000. So meaning this is our FC. Okay. Next natin, may useful life daw siya na 20 years. Or may lifespan siya na 20 years, which is N. Okay? And then after that useful life of 20 years, we have the salvage value of 20% of the initial cost. So, ibig sabihin, 20% ng FC natin. So, we have SV, which is 20% of FC. Magkano yun? So, we have 20,000. Okay, clear muna natin. We have 20,000 times the 20% of it, which is 4,000. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, this one is 4,000. Okay. Next, we also have the annually maintenance cost of 6,000. Annually, take note ha. So, we have OM na 6,000. And then, the interest rate is 10%. Alright? So, now, let us have our formula. Formula natin for the annual cost is KI. But we also know that K is equal to FC plus OM over I plus RC minus SV over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Okay? So we have now AC is equal to FC plus OM over I plus RC minus SV over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. And take note that is only K pa lang. So we have to multiply this by I. Okay? So we also already have those values. Mag-substitute lang tayo. For FC natin, we have 80,000 plus OM natin is 6,000 over our I, which is 10%, plus, okay, hindi sa atin binigay si RC. But take note that RC is also equal to FC kung hindi given. So this one is 80,000. We have 80,000 minus, magkano daw yung ating SV natin? Okay, take note ha, ang nagamit pala natin dito is 20,000. So, ang dapat yan ay 80,000. So, our SV should not be 4,000 but rather 16,000. Okay, so this one is 16,000 over 1 plus 0.10 raised to, ano daw yung N natin? Useful life of 20 years. Minus 1. Then, don't forget, this is, you have to bracket all of those, then multiply by the I, which is 0.10. Okay? So, makukuha nating annual cost will be, okay, dun muna tayo, kuhanin lang natin siya, 80,000 plus 6,000 over 0.10 plus we have 80,000 minus 16,000 over 1 plus 0.10 raised to how many years? We have 20, then minus 1. Okay. Don't forget equal nyo muna siya, then you multiply now by 0.10. So we will be having how much? 15,117.42. And that will be your annual cost. Okay. So, ngayon, kung ayaw nyo ng ganito na nag-equal, then you multiply, pwede nyo naman siyang diretsuhin. Okay? So, paano nyo siyang didiretsuhin? So, kailangan lagyan nyo muna ng parentheses doon sa dulo, and then, lagyan nyo din ng close parentheses, then you multiply this by 0.10. So, same pa rin naman ang makukuha. 15,117.42. Okay? So, let's proceed to another example. Example number 2. A bridge that was constructed at a cost of 2 million is expected to last 30 years with an annual maintenance cost of 100,000. In addition, the bridge needed to be repaired every 5 years at a cost of 500,000. What is the annual cost of the bridge if the interest rate is 18% per annum? Okay. So, we have this. Let us identify our given. Okay. So, we have constructed at the cost of 2 million. So, we have FC of how much? 2 million pesos. Then, it is expected to last for 30 years. So, we have N of 30 years. With an annual maintenance cost of 100,000. So, we have OM na 100,000. But take note, in addition, we also have to repair it by every 5 years. So, ito pala ay OM1 natin, and we still have OM2 that cost 500,000 pesos. And this is for every 5 years. Okay, then, may binigay sa ating interest rate of 18% per annum. So, I natin ay 18% per annum. Okay. We don't have RC, but take note that RC is also equal to FC. The example or the problem not stated also the salvage value. So, therefore, salvage value is 0. Okay. Ma'am, hindi ba natin pwedeng tanggalin na lang si RC minus SV? No, we can't. Why? Because the problem told us that the bridge will last for 30 years. So, hindi natin siya pwedeng i-0. Okay? So, now, again, we have this formula for AC. Yung buo na ilalagay ko, ha? We have FC plus OM over I, OM1 natin yan, plus OM2 over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1, plus RC minus SV over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. And take note, we have to multiply all of this to our I. Okay? So, we have now to substitute the given values. FC natin is 2 million plus OM1 natin is 100,000 over I natin is 0.18 plus OM2 natin is 500,000 over ang I natin ay 1 plus 0.18 raised to ang N natin is 5 years because it is a repair for every 5 years minus 1. Plus, our C natin is, again, same goes with the FC, which is 2 million, minus, yung SB natin is 0, over 1 plus 0.18 raised to, ang lifespan niya ay 30 years, minus 1. And then, you multiply this by 0.18. 18. Okay? So let us now compute this. We have 2 million plus 100,000 over 0.18 plus we have 500,000 over 1 plus 0.18 raised to 5 minus 1, then plus we have 2 million minus 0 over 1 plus 0.18 raised to 30 years of lifespan minus 1. And then we close the bracket. We multiply now by 0.18. And then we will get an annual cost of 532,417.53. And that will be your final answer. Alright? So, that's all for our amortization, capitalized cost, and annual cost. Alright? So, thank you for watching.